Aura of a human, diagnosis. The aura of an ordinary person often has a polar structure, symmetrically divided into two parts, yin and yang. In men, the yang part is usually on the right side, while in women it is the opposite, with the passive yin on the right side. The aura of a person is formed from the energy radiated by the chakras, which are the psychic centers located along the person's spine. Each petal of a chakra emits a ray of its corresponding color. Take a look at the structure of the aura that is emitted by the chakras in the form of rays, with each of its petals emitting a ray. Here you can see the mandala and aura of the Muladhara chakra, the mandala and aura of the Svadhisthana chakra, the mandala and aura of the Manipura chakra, the Anahata chakra, the aura of the Vishuddhi chakra, and the Anja chakra. The aura of the Sahasrara chakra. Each category of people has its type of aura, which depends on the predominant activity of specific chakras in the individual. Here, you can see the aura of a preacher. Here, you can see the aura of a medic, a person who heals others and monitors the ecology and hygiene of society. The aura of a teenager. The aura of a public figure. The aura of a pilgrim, a religious person. The aura of the soul of society, a societable and communicative person. Now you can see the aura of a sick person. Notice its distortion and the lack of sphericity. In the area of dark spots, we can see an injury, in this case a leg fracture, a dislocated hip, and negative stomach activity. Also, note that this aura has many dark spots. Now, you can see the diagram of the energy flows of the chakra. The energy flows into the Sahasrara chakra from the top and exits it upwards. The Muladhara chakra has energy flowing from the bottom and exiting downwards. Other energy channels of the chakras are located horizontally. The disturbance in the energy exchange of the Manipura chakra is observed at the back, creating a dark spot, and it appears that energy is leaking from the chakra without being replenished with its corresponding energy. This indicates that there could be a focus on illness or disease in this area. Here, you can see the focus of the ailment represented as a dark spot on the etheric body and a gap in the vital aura surrounding the person's body. Here, you can also observe the disruption in the functioning of the chakras. In the first case, it appears to be energy vampirism, while in the second case, it is the intrusion of negative energy in energy sinus. The function of chakras can be determined using a pendulum, which is placed above the patient's body. The pendulum typically moves in a smooth circle around the location of the chakra. It can also move in zigzag lines, indicating the number of chakra petals. Using a pendulum, we can detect chakra pathology. Here, it is shown that the pendulum moves away from the person's body, indicating an energy discharge. In this case, the pendulum's movement approaches the patient's body, signifying an absence of energy, with the patient drawing it in. When the pendulum rotates over a chakra, describing a smooth circle, it indicates the correct functioning of the chakra. If the pendulum makes an uneven circle, it indicates pathology in the functioning of the corresponding chakra. By using a pendulum, we can determine the compatibility or incompatibility of the energy fields of two individuals. If the pendulum swings from one person to another, it indicates that their fields are compatible. If the pendulum swings across them, it signifies that their energy fields are incompatible. The human biofield can also be measured using a frame. The frame spreads apart when it approaches the area of a person's energy field. The wider the frame separates, the more powerful the field. The frames can spread unevenly, indicating irregularities, distortions, and pathology in a person's field. The aura can be dense or non-uniform, large, or small, indicating a strong or weak field in a person, which in turn reflects their level of protection or susceptibility to illnesses.